Let's learn how you can fix Telegram downloaded files not showing. So we will go through some steps that might help you fix this problem. First one, let us open Telegram application. You'll have to go to settings and click on data and storage. Then go to storage usage. And first thing you want to do is to clear entire cache. Now go scroll down a bit, and here you might find media that's cached that you downloaded. So how you can save this media again, it's pretty simple. Just hold on the picture and you will have to click open chat or show photo. Just hold and you can save the image after it. For example, this one, show in chat, you can see save image option. Now if you didn't find your downloaded files here, you want to go back, find your files application and just go to browse. Here you want to browse on everything. So I have two downloads folders, so you want to check if your download is somewhere here. As you can see, we can go to another. Also it might be on my iPhone, and just check every folder you find or you got through. If it still doesn't work, you want to go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, find Telegram there, and just offload the app or delete the app and reinstall again and just download your media. Also check if you have enough storage and check is Telegram having a permission for to take a look and access the media and photos and everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.